All right, so today we're going to continue our series of good Mai Tais out of terrible ingredients. And as you can see, we have some terrible ingredients here.
But it's for fall. So what do you think we're going to be making today?
Nicole's favorite.
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice. Like you all have seen the meme, I'm going to post it here, of the girl in the big giant hat with pumpkin spice and then the guy in the horror mask. That's the two of us when it comes to October
I like
1st.
The pumpkin spice. And you don't.
And I don't. So we're just...
So it was my idea to do this today. I'm like, we have got to make a Mai Tai that you know, incorporates in the pumpkin spice. And he was like, you know, but we're going to do it.
Yeah, we're going to do it. So here we go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. So we're back.
We're back. And let's go ahead and just get into it.
Jeff is so excited about this.
I'm not excited about this one. And as we are doing this with terrible ingredients, please click the link down below for the description. The Ultimate Mai Tai did the bougie version of this with an amazing pumpkin pie syrup. So go through, do that recipe. I have another one I'm going to post as well.
We're too lazy to do that.
Well, and we were just thinking, you know, like for coffee and stuff like that, we'd try this. Plus, we're also trying to cut back on sugar and calories and a lot of the tiki drinks we make. I know a lot of you are in that same realm. So it's like, hey, here's a sugar-free pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice syrup. So let's go ahead and try that and see what it tastes like.
Yeah, I've been using it in my coffee in the morning, and you know, it is what it is.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with a 1 ounce of lime juice. We had squeezed this previously. Just wanted to save a little time with that here.
And we've got 1 ounce of triple sec. So let's go ahead and get that done fast. And then it'll take, I think, what was it? A half ounce of the pumpkin. And I feel like, you know, with the sugar-free, less is more. So I may go even a little bit.
That's a good idea.
Just because I just know how these syrups are.
Yeah, it's like a half there. It's like half of that.
It's a little half of that.
Okay.
I know how they are. They're like really overpowering.
Can't remember, is that
I'd
3
say
or
go
2?
a little more on the rum.
A little more on the rum.
And it's 2 ounces of Sailor Jerry.
And there's no float. So I'm going to put 2.5 ounces because why not? And it is Sailor Jerry, which I know as we talk, like mass-produced spiced rums, they're kind of like the Achilles heel in the rum industry. Everybody learns what rum is through like Captain Morgan and Cruisin' and stuff like that, and Bacardi. But I actually kind of like the Sailor Jerry. It's a 92 overproof, so it's a little bit stronger. So this one is pretty good to me. Like it makes a really good rum and coke. I have very, very low expectations out of it, but it's more drinkable to me than like Captain or a lot of the other ones, except for
it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's
like
pretty good.
We were sipping it on its own earlier, and it's not bad.
Okay,
right.
And that's
I think that's it. That's it. We're outside right now, you guys, in our backyard bar, and we do have neighbors. So if you hear stuff, it's not us. I hear babies. I hear dogs barking. We might even have a train go by. We have a little extra. Here, pour it in here.
Whoa, you move it on me right when I go to pour it. See how she does? Tries to do me dirty right on film.
I don't try to do you dirty. Never. So we'll do a little straw. We'll do a little pineapple frond. Then we've got a dried apple, which would be kind of festive, and then a dried orange. So that kind of looks pretty.
Yeah.
All right.
And there is our
pumpkin spice Mai Tai.
Sailor Jerry pumpkin spice Mai Tai.
I think it's pretty. I hope it tastes good. I hope it tastes good. Hold. I just want to look at it. That is beautiful. Look at the layers of that. It just looks so pretty. All right.
Yeah, it is better though. We made this with just.
I don't like it.
I didn't say it was good. I said it was better. We made it with.
It's so sweet, and it's because of this.
What did we make it with? Cruisin'?
Yeah.
Or the Trader Vic's gold. We made it with just the plain gold, and it was the pumpkin spice was so overpowering.
This is what's making it incredibly sweet. I believe mixed with this brand, which I'm not a fan of this brand, but I picked it up, of triple sec, because to me this brand is very, very sweet. It's not very orange forward, which I like more of the bitter orange forward. To me, this is very sweet. And then you guys, this is like, I'm like, that's all I'm getting is sugar. I'm not tasting anything else but sugar.
Well, sugar, and that like
that artificial
sweetener flavor that like I'm super in tune to,
right
you
here,
know.
Like I'm still getting that. I don't even know what to say.
It is a bit artificial, and I'm trying to figure out like which one of these two some of the flavors coming from, because there's like some vanilla and caramel, and I think that's probably more of
it's
this.
More of that.
You know,
I feel like more of the caramel, vanilla is, and the clove possibly is coming from this, because I've had this in my coffee, and I'm not getting the clove, the vanilla type of thing. On this, I get a bunch of sugary and kind of like nutmeg. I get more sugar and nutmeg out of this.
Oh yeah, here, that's that. So we did a little, just a little shot glass of that, just in case we needed to try and identify it.
It's sugar and nutmeg.
That's it, exactly.
That's it.
It tastes like sugar and artificial sugar and
nutmeg only. So you're getting everything else off of the Sailor Jerry, which is like the vanilla, the cinnamon, some clove. You get like spice off of this, which
spiced
is
rum.
Lovely.
Generic mass-produced spiced rum is what it tastes like. I feel like
it's lovely on this. This ruins, you guys, like throw this whole thing out. It's awful.
It's got a really weird mouthfeel too. It's like very, it's like lighter than water, but yet it coats your tongue entirely. It's very bizarre.
I would like to revisit this maybe next month and make our own with some pumpkin puree and the baking spices. I'd like to try that again, because I really believe that this could be a good drink, especially for the holidays and for fall. I think it could be a good drink, but this sucks. It's horrible, and I'm sad that we had to do it, but we're doing it for you guys, so you don't have to like go through and do this.
We do the bad Mai Tai, so you don't have to.
So you don't have to. But I think that we can revisit this. With you.
Better triple sec.
You're a master at making the syrups, and I think that we can make a delicious syrup that would be fall forward, pumpkin forward, spicy forward for holidays, and I think that you can do that.
Well, and I made a walnut orgeat for an upcoming one, so there's a little sneak preview there, but it's really good. So I think that could help definitely. But
I don't like it.
Yeah, it's not.
I don't even want to rate it, because it just tastes like I'm drinking artificial sugar, and I don't want to add more alcohol to it, because I just don't think that it's going to do anything to it either.
Well, and it's 2.5 ounces of 92 proof rum, so you're just going to get.
I just don't want to waste
sugar drunk on this.
It's just, it's.
Yeah. It's even worse now they have that on its own.
Yuck.
So,
I don't want to rate it.
You got to rate it as a Mai Tai. No. At all.
Like
Zero?
It's nothing. Like no. If I was given this in a bar, I would be like, what the hell? I don't like it. I wouldn't drink it. I'd pass it off to somebody that likes the sugary artificialness, but no.
It is a terrible dive bar Mai Tai.
For maybe the beginning drinkers that don't know any better, they might even like it, but I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just my opinion, you guys. I'm not trying to push it off onto anybody, but I just don't like it. I say 0 as a Mai Tai. As a cocktail, I still say.
I didn't even rank mine.
Oh, I'm.
There's a weird haze even on the top layer. You see that? Ugh.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I'm going with the 0 as well, just because it's bad. I would almost rather have the lemon lime freezy pop Mai Tai over this. I think it's a very close race between the two.
That flavor.
I don't get the lemon limey thing at all, but
it's weird.
Yeah, even as a cocktail.
But it's pretty.
0.
As a cocktail, I say 0 too.
This is
I wouldn't
our
like it.
First 0 cocktail.
We're gonna dump this.
Usually
we're not
we
even
can
gonna finish it.
Usually we can say it's a whatever. It's a 1, 2. No.
I'm glad we only made one.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
It's icky. So let's we will circle back around. We'll post another video coming up soon with your magical syrup. And I think that one is going to be the one that maybe everybody will be putting, for everybody for Thanksgiving. It might be a beautiful Thanksgiving Mai Tai.
Maybe we'll do a Thanksgiving one. Yeah, so pass on this one, finish watching the video, like, subscribe, comment, and then click the link down below and make the ultimate Mai Tai, Pumpkin Spice Mai Tai, and serve that one to your friends because you'll lose them all if you serve them this one.
Don't serve them this one.
Don't.
It's horrible.
Don't do that. Yeah.
It's awful.
So anyway, let's go make a real Mai Tai.
And let's get out of the bugs.
All right.
I am getting chewed up. So bye.
Bye.